Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Chrome managed by your organization. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, when you go head over to your settings section, okay, and you find browser is managed by your organization right here at the very top. So what you'll do basically is go ahead over to the top, click on new tab, and then just find Chrome : and then policy. Okay, hit on enter. Again, Chrome : policy. Okay, you may have a ton of policies right here. So when you go ahead and click on reload, it will show up. So what you'll do to fix that is by going to go ahead and to open up a new tab again. And we are going to find Chrome policy remover. Okay, this one right here. Now go ahead and scroll down and find the ones from Stefan VD. Okay, so just click on it, scroll all the way down, and here we have some download buttons for the policy remover. So just click on one and then click on download for Windows or for Mac. It's up to you. And by the way, you can go ahead and give a small donation if you want to, or just subscribe to the YouTube channel of this creator. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and open up the file folder. And here we have it. So right click on it and click on edit if you're hesitant. Okay, click on edit, run, and then here you have it. It's going to do, or what it's going to do is just delete these things from your registries, okay? Just like this one right here under Windows, okay? You can review it if you're hesitant, okay? If you're okay with the policy right here or the policy editor, just close it and then open up the file folder again, right click and just click on run as an administrator and then just click on run. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up, and just wait for the process to finish right here. Okay, I will be given some errors because I don't have the error anymore, but yours may be different. If you got some errors, just don't worry about it. Just open up Chrome again. Okay, as you can see here, it gives me an error. Just press continue, and then restart computer, restart, and then once that's done, open up Chrome, and you should be good to go. When you go ahead over to your profile, check on settings, you shouldn't have the error anymore. Okay. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.